Enjoy smarter, more convenient cleaning with this impressive dishwasher from Bosch. With Perfect Dry, enjoy consistently immaculate drying on every item. This includes difficult to dry materials such as glass and even plastic. You can rest assured that all your cookware, glassware, dishes and cutlery are thoroughly dried. You can wash glass at 40 degrees with the protective program, so the cycle is gentler when washing and drying delicate glassware. With optimum results to keep it sparkling for longer, you can relax knowing that your glassware is being cleaned with care. The AquaSensor measures the remaining food particles, detergent residue and grease, then adjusts the water usage accordingly. This prevents water from being wasted through unnecessary rinsing, making every wash more efficient and keeping all your energy bills low. Cleaning dishes with this Bosch dishwasher is both effortless and efficient, a great addition to any family home.